AOOA Racing Caliper Covers instantly elevate your car's look. Choose from a vast array of vibrant colors, fashionable logos, and even 3D designs, all without needing to replace your original wheel hubs. Want to add a sporty, vibrant touch? Our covers come in over 15 colors, applied with an electrostatic powder spraying process for a durable, weather-resistant finish. Plus, our logo is printed using our high-performance UV printer, ensuring it won't peel or fade. Crafted from lightweight, high thermal conductivity aluminum alloy, our covers not only look great, but also reduce brake dust and dissipate heat effectively. They're a cost-effective, superior alternative to caliper spray paint. Our products, made from premium die-cast and forged aluminum alloys, have passed rigorous SGS tests and hold ROHS and CE certifications, guaranteeing quality and performance.